Hello, everybody. Excuse the red face. I don't have AC in my car. Um, just got in from work. So, you saw my rant earlier today about Emma messaging my daughter and how unhappy I was about that. So, it's interesting because I've never spoken to Emma. I've never messaged Emma. I've never tried to talk to Emma in any way whatsoever. So, I think for her to reach out to my child and say, tell your mom to back off, she's messing up the case, she's doing all these things, is very wrong of her. I am not interfering with the investigation because the investigation is pretty much at a standstill because people on Sarah Carmichael's side are not telling the truth as to what was going on with Marissa. So, no, I'm not going to stop. No matter how much you try to intimidate people around me. And, yeah, this is ridiculous. So, I have been given some insight, and yet documents, on some things that were going on with Marissa and Sarah prior to Marissa missing. So, interestingly enough, we actually now know what it was at court that Marissa missed the 2 days after she went missing. And if you're ready to find out about it, I'll be ready to tell you. So Marissa, let me pull this up really quick and make sure I have it all right there, was actually going to court for child support against Smoke, whose given name, his actual legal name is Gamel McIntyre. The Charles Lindsay is an alias, and it's also listed on these documents that his alias is Charles Lindsay. So, yeah, craziness. That's what she missed. So Sarah and them saying, oh, she missed a court case to get her kids back is a lie. That was not anything about that. It was everything to do with child support. Child support. And also paternity. So it looks like that they never established paternity over these children. And according to this was, it was initiated in October 10th, 2023 is when it was initiated. And it was filed against Gamel D. McIntyre. And they were going for child support, medical coverage, and paternity. All this was filed on October 10th. Now, these are all put out there, and also to make it clear, it's a civil matter. Marissa and Gamel, as we'll call him, were never married, so it looks like they just never established paternity. And it went on for a bit. We see on the 10th where all these were filed, complaint. And and then nothing happened until January 16, 2024, which is 2 days after Marissa was reported missing, and the case was dismissed because she never showed up. Interesting, right? I mean, that sounds like a monetary motive to me, why somebody might want someone gone. So there's that case. Another thing that we had talked about was Marissa having other court cases going on. And let's see, what's this one here? Because we did find that Charles Lindsay, Gamel McIntyre, Smoke, whatever name he goes by for this week, has multiple domestic violence charges. Now, here's the thing. Everything got dismissed because the complainants wouldn't testify. So charges were filed. Things got dismissed because of this. Like the first one I came across here, it looks like it was filed on April 25th, 2018. Assault on a female. And let's see. Lindsay Charles James, alias Lindsay Charles James. Witness for the state, Sarah Carmichael. And Natalie Prince. Complainant, Marissa K. Carmichael. So there you go. That's the first one. And it was going, so we got stuff going back from 2018. It doesn't look like it was discharged until 2021, so it went on for a little while. Someone asking, when is the live? I am live now. There you go. So there's that. Let's go back to that. So that is that one. That's this one. Okay. And as I go further down the page here, let's see. This is where they dismiss it. Motion, attorneys assign, motion to continue, motion to continue. I mean, because of the time frame when all this happened, I'm sure COVID played a huge role as to why this got pushed back as much as it did. But at the end of the day, it was dismissed because, I don't know, maybe she withdrew her complaint. I don't know. Doesn't say. And then we have another one, assault on a female. This one's dated July 8th, 2018. This one was also disposed in March of 2021. Now on this one, the complainant is a D. Lanier. I'm not sure who that is. But because people didn't show up or they withdrew the complaint, it was never processed. He was never found guilty. Let's see, we've got another one. No plea agreement. Yep, March 23rd, 2021. And here's another one. Assault on a female. September 4th, 2018. Complainant, D. Needham. Not sure who that is. This one was also disposed of, March 23rd, 2021. So we've got three domestic violence cases filed at different times, but all dismissed on the same day. And I'm sorry, whatever judge dismissed all three of these, it's crazy because it's three different people and you're dismissing all of them. Okay. Then we have another one, assault on a female. Offense date, December 15th, 2020. And let's see, who was the complainant? An E. Morris. They were the complainant. Also dismissed on March 23rd, 2021. Okay, so that's just a little synopsis of the domestic violence charges that Smoke had against him. So let's go a bit further down. Grab another page here. So we've got this one. Now on this one, this is a simple assault. It was filed October 5th, 2023. This is actually against Marissa K. Carmichael. Witness for the state, Adam Blake Brown. Complainant, Adam Blake Brown. No idea who this guy is. So, but apparently Marissa and this person got into some type of assault issue. But this is the court case that she was supposed to go to court for this month. And it looks like it happened 2 days ago. And they really haven't done anything. It's been disposed. Okay, no, not been disposed. Okay, here's another simple assault case from Marissa. Started January 30th, 2023. And that was on, and this is interesting, the witnesses are a Billy Parks and a Destiny Smith. Destiny Smith is one of her closest friends. Complainant, Chloe Simone Nant, another very close friend. Chloe and Destiny grew up with Marissa. They have been running around thick as thieves since they were children. So crazy. But this was dismissed in May of 2023. So, and she had to do some probation. So let's see what else we got here. Oh, this is one. This is interesting. Marissa started another child support case in May of 2023. And she had filed against a person named Thomas Elvis. Now, we were told by Sarah that a Cole Elvis was the father of Marissa's oldest child. And this, for whatever reason, and I don't understand why, but it was same thing. It was filed for child support, medical coverage, and paternity. And it was voluntarily dismissed January 10th, 2024, 4 days before she went missing. So the question is, why? Was he actually not the father of your child and it was somebody else? I don't know. Does this give another suspect as to why you went missing? I don't know. So there's that. And then let's see what else we got. Oh, yes, my favorite, absolute favorite. Let me see, where did it go? Got a little tea on Sarah too. So we were told by a person who was a neighbor of Sarah's that she had she actually was taking care of an old woman, and Sarah kind of stopped doing that, and the woman almost died and had to be taken to a rest home. So, people say things, but now we have the proof. So Sarah was charged with neglect of an elder with injury on October 26, 2014. This did not get disposed of until August 30th of 2018. So, yeah, she did that. She left an elderly woman on her own, and the woman almost died. And then she was charged with elderly neglect. So, yep, crazy, right? Elderly neglect. Now, I am going to bring on a special guest to talk about this Emma Villegas situation with her messaging people. And here she comes. Hello.
Hi. Emma, bring your ass on down to the front, baby. Because the audacity of you to tell somebody they look like they need exercise. Bitch, your back is as big as a fucking house.
So, Jessica, since you're saying that, why don't you give everybody a little bit of an insight as to what's going on for you to say what you're saying?
I received a message in my inbox this morning from Emma, and it said that we are lame and we're retarded and we need to stop causing drama. And she told me I needed to worry about taking care of my children and stop being on my phone 24/7. It looks like I could use a little exercise. The audacity
right
of her to say some shit like that. I am big. Yes, I'm proud, baby. I don't fat shame nobody else. And bitch, the audacity for you to do that.
Right. Yeah, that takes a lot to do that. Especially, I mean, again, I also do not fat shame people because I used to weigh almost 300 pounds myself. So I'm choosing my words carefully here. But when you are somebody who is obviously morbidly obese in the situation that Emma herself is in, don't throw rocks at glass windows, glass houses type things,
Facts.
Come on, don't do that. Because then it opens you up to have retaliatory remarks like that coming back at you.
Absolutely.
So don't do that. And you also don't go and message the people that, the children of the people that have been talking about your family. You just don't do that.
No, that's cross crossing a line.
Yeah.
If you have something to say, you go to that person. And Emma, the audacity, you going to say some shit like that and block me and not give me a chance to give you a reply? You fucking coward.
Yeah.
At least have let me reply.
Exactly. And that's the thing. She blocked us, sends these messages, blocks us so we can't even reply to her in a discreet manner, like a grown-up.
Right. So, bitch, you want to play, you want to be funny, I'll be fucking hilarious. And the whole world can see.
Exactly.
Because don't think you're going to get your lick and I'm not going to get mine.
Yeah.
Because that's not how I roll.
Exactly.
And if you want me to deliver my message personally, I will be more than happy to. Because, bitch, I know where you at.
Yeah. I mean, we all know. I mean, it's all over these court documents. What's also interesting about the court documents I have, when they listed the address for Smoke, guess what address they listed?
Her fucking house.
Yep.
South Road.
Yep, South Road in High Point. That's where they listed his place of residence.
Why Smoke on your house?
Yeah.
Why you living in one of Smoke's house?
Here's my thing. Why are you being so defending a guy that has had domestic violence charges put on him, and you are a witness to, Sarah, on your daughter? Why are you defending this guy?
Explain.
He's broken a child's phone. You know, he's beaten her up. And all those cases where he's beaten everybody up all happened in like 2018 to 2020. What the hell? Why are you defending a monster like this? Why? So, you know, that's crazy to me. So that tells me he's given her something to keep her loyalty, and I don't understand that at all.
Facts.
He doesn't have the kids. They're still in foster care. So it's not like he's holding them over her like you'll never see your grandkids again, you know? So it's not that. So what is it?
Right.
You know, we can speculate, you know. People have been telling us that you've been doing crack and meth and crap for years, pills.
Yep.
So is he paying you in drugs or is he paying you in money? And I found it interesting because she made the comment to me early on that she said Naja would do anything for money. And I said,
sounds like,
and I thought that
Sarah would do anything for money.
There you go. I think Naja would do anything for survival. And that's a big
difference. Please, if anybody has any problems with what I'm saying, address me personally and give me time to reply back.
Yeah. Same here. Don't go to my kids. Come to me.
Facts.
I have never not responded to anybody. I've always responded. You know, I've had people call me human trash and crap in messages, and I've responded back to them, you know? So yep. I don't hide away from responses. I don't. So, any questions, anybody? Anybody got anything else to say?
Right. Questions, comments, concerns.
Exactly. And that's straight for the people in the back.
In case y'all didn't hear.
Yeah. Because that makes no sense. Why start shit and then hide from it?
Oh, hold on. There's something else.
Mm-hmm.
She said I was stalking her and her page.
Mm.
I didn't even know the girl's last name. Yeah. I've never been on her Facebook page. Oh, but guess who happens to show up in my people you may know?
Emma Valenda?
Her specifically.
Katie York is asking, I'm late, what did I miss? So here we go, Katie. So Emma messaged my daughter to tell me to back off from this case. She also messaged Jessica this morning to tell her to stop stalking her and that she needs to lose weight. And I'm going over court documents I have proving what a piece of garbage Smoke is, and Sarah for that matter, and Marissa is not squeaky clean. I believe that is summarizing it all up. But I do find it interesting that, again, she had filed for child support on Smoke for those kids. And that's the court case she missed when she went missing. And because she didn't show up, they dismissed the whole thing. She had another one with Tom Elvis, so I guess we're assuming that's Cole Elvis, another paternity case with him, and that was dismissed back in April, or back in May of last year, voluntarily. Why? No, take that back. I retract what I just said. It was dismissed 4 days before she went missing, January 10th, 2024. Interesting. So, Jessica, what's your comment on that?
It's awfully convenient she went missing right before she was due in court.
Yep. Well, on that note, I have got to hop off here because I believe my daughter just came home. So, other than that, stay golden, y'all. I gotta go. Bye.
Bye.